A few of you have asked questions about how to download data files, or you've been having some issues with the data files. So I wanted to create a quick video on how to download those and what to do with those. Again, they can be found on the timeline, and they are in the class bulletin session. So I am in class bulletin. On the bottom, you'll find the data files right here. This is what you need to download. So you'll click on this. And bear with me, this is going a little slow because I'm working on my Mac with the simulation of Windows, so it goes a little bit slower. But same process, we'll be able to see what this is like. You'll click on Save As. And you'll want to save it once this comes up here to your documents, your jump drive, wherever you've been saving your files is fine. So for this, we'll just go to Documents. It's going to save it as student data files, and it is what's called a compressed folder. Whenever you're downloading a folder full of files from the internet, it's typically a compressed folder. What they do is compress all the data so that it downloads faster and takes up less space in order to get that onto your computer a little bit quicker. What we have to do is uncompress that. So once we download this, I'll show you what it looks like, but it is a compressed folder. It's not like a regular folder. So I'll hit save. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to say, mine is asking me if I want to replace what I already downloaded. I'm going to say no for now. You, of course, probably won't get this message because you haven't downloaded it yet. Or if you are doing this again, you may get that message. Either way, it's fine. If you want to replace it, say yes, not no. And I'm going to cancel because, again, I've already done this. So once it's downloaded, you're going to go to the file. So I'm going to go to my documents, and I'm going to find that file. There it is. So student data files, and you can tell this is a compressed file because it doesn't look like a typical folder. The folder, if I were to make this icon a little bit bigger, looks like a folder with a zipper on it because it's compressed. It's called a zipped file, so that's the reason for the zipper on there. What we want to do in order to make this work the best we possibly can. I could actually double click on this folder and get into it now, but some of you have been experiencing problems with that, and here's why. What you really should do is right click on that file, go to extract all. It'll bring up this window here. We're going to uncompress, and basically it's going to the same location, so it's going to go into the documents folder, into student data files, exactly what I want. So I'm going to click on extract. And again, bear with me, mine's going just a little bit slower than yours will. And of course I'm getting not responding. Hopefully this will catch up to me here in a second. But the next window is going to be a confirmation window. You'll go ahead and proceed through this. It will unzip it. It takes just a matter of seconds. And then you will have a student data files folder that does not have a zipper on it. It's the uncompressed version of the folder, and that is the data files you want to use. You only have to do this once. So once you've done this the first time, you never have to do this again. You'll just go to the folder that you downloaded that is not zipped up, that is uncompressed, and use that one. After this is done, you can even delete the folder with the little zipper on it. You won't need that anymore. You could get rid of that. So you should end up with a student data folder without a zipper on it, and that will be the folder that has all the files you could possibly need. So I'm not going to wait for this. I'm just having issues with it because, again, I'm using my Mac because I can make videos on this a lot easier. Oh, there we go. Here it's going through the process of uncompressing now. but you can see what I was talking about here. It'll go through this process, complete it, you'll end up with the folder. That's the file you use. Like I said, I was using my Mac because it creates videos a lot easier, but that's why I'm having some issues with my simulation of Windows here. I hope this helps. If you have any further questions, please let me know. I look forward to helping you in any way I can. If you come up with some questions and I can help by creating these short little tutorial videos, I'm happy to do that. So please ask questions, and if I think that we could benefit from a short video, I will create one. Thanks.